Welcome to day 2 of the NuCalm Reset Challenge. So how was it? How was your initial rescue experience? It's been 14 years since I first tried this in a doctor's office in Texas. And I still remember how profound it was. I remember I had an itch on my nose and I couldn't find my arms to even itch it. And then my mind would kind of erase into a different pattern. And then I have an itch on my nose. It was crazy. I still remember that. So the experience should have been like this. Your mind wandered. It didn't shut your mind off. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience. But you felt your body separate and your respiration slow down, and you probably lost sense of time. You may have even fallen asleep. You're not supposed to fall asleep with rescue. We're supposed to levitate you just above deep sleep, where the mind and your cells restore and heal. But many of us are sleep deprived, so we fall asleep. In fact, in America today, over 70 million people are diagnosed with a sleep disorder. And who knows how many million people aren't even diagnosed. If you're one of those people, you're on the right path. We don't need drugs. We don't need gimmicks. We don't need tips. We can use neuroscience. So today is about rinse and repeat. We're going to keep this very easy. Find a safe, comfortable place, eye mask, headphone, select rescue, press play, and we do the rest. And then tonight at bedtime with a speaker, we want you to try the 8-hour sonic essence. Okay? Very simple, very easy, and exciting, because today is going to be better than yesterday.